All right, yo, what's up? Abstract Vision, and we back. Last night was cool. Jumped on a stream with this dude from New York, Hugh Butter. He runs an institute, Zyx Institute. Go check that out. But it was cool. We had a nice little build, and uh, you know, Abstract Vision was on there putting in his little bit of knowledge about MidJourney, AI, Chat GPT, cool things that I'm into, stuff like that. So I want to run this live stream just to run down some MidJourney. MidJourney is a really, really cool art creator that they got. OpenAI is the company that created ChatGPT and MidJourney and some all kinds of AI software. And through that software, you can do cool things. And so I want to run it down. I want to run down this MidJourney. So check this out. I'm going to share screen right here. And you may hear my children in the background, but that's just life, you know. Some people got kids. Uh, I do. I'm one of those people. So check it out. So we're gonna share screen right here. Got MidJourney running. Now the way MidJourney is working here is it's working through Discord. So yes, there's a lot going on. You got OpenAI, which is the overarching company. Then you have Dali, which is an art creator. MidJourney, which is an art creator. Uh, ChatGPT, which is a text and language model. So that's all about text and language. And the other two that I just mentioned, Dali and Midjourney, they're a lot about art, creating artwork. And as you can see on the screen here, we're in Discord right here. These are little my Discord channels. I got some things I follow, I guess, whatever. The Midjourney bot is right here. And when you go on the Midjourney Discord, you can go to these. You know, if you have a Discord account, you can go to Midjourney, get a little Midjourney invite, come and check out some of these rooms, and you can see what people are creating. Right? You can also run your free trial and create yourself. So some people are in here creating, and you can see people's prompts and their artwork as well. And scrolling this little bar down, you'll see a lot of people are in here making a lot of different concepts, playing with different ideas. This is really cool right here. I like this style of art. So what I do, check this out. I'll just show you a quick little trick. Every time I see something that I like, I just grab the prompt, copy it, and then tweak it to what I'd like to use it for. So I'm just going to press Command and C on my keyboard to copy that. Something simple I would do is just go to Google Docs and save that. Just type that in or paste that in. Just going to put it in my notes for now and keep it going. But yeah, it's this kind of cool style of art, like botanical drawings sort of thing. So yeah, people are on here creating all kinds of stuff. And if you just keep scrolling down, that's a really cool Batman piece of artwork. It scrolls down by itself if you just stay at the bottom. But you can scroll up and see what other people got going on. Like I was saying, this is a really cool piece of artwork. Batman sort of rainbow, sort of paint splash style. Some things are good. A lot of people's stuff isn't that great. But one way you can, so I was making a lot of MidJourney art this way. Uh, in these rooms here. But then I discovered that you can create your own server. I'm not very well versed in Discord, so I, discovered this. It took me forever to discover this, but you can create your own server. So I made my own server right here, and this is just my Discord name, Black Jedi. Black Jedi Starship. That's the name of the server. And what you can do is you can invite the MidJourney bot, the little thing that creates the AI art, to come and hang on your server, so you can create art in a less chaotic environment. One second here. Dad, look. Let's see, baby. All right, my bad. Had to help my daughter. Facts of life. All right, let's check it. So we on MidJourney on Discord. So yes, as I was saying, this is my own server. I can run prompts through this. Uh, this is how you run a prompt. You just type slash imagine, but you can just click it as well. And then this little prompt box comes up, and you can just type anything. I wonder what happens if I type my name, see what happens as a prompt. And right now I'm just what the machine is doing. So I typed in a prompt, my own name, and now I'm just seeing if what kind of artwork that comes up. But it takes a second here, see, and then it starts to generate. And I have this on what is called relaxed mode, and that is basically in this mode I can generate unlimited images. And so it's giving me a lot of female faces here. I can already see. Let's see, 93% done. It's very interesting too how it develops the art piece by piece, phase by phase. So wow, cool. So I just typed in my name, and gave me these white women faces. Interesting. Some of these are actually cool. This is kind of cool. Kind of cool concept. What? That's not the point of this video. This video is not just random concepts. I wanted to do some black art. That's what I want to do. It's Black History Month. We got to celebrate ourselves. I want to create some really cool black art. I just realized right now, before I started this stream, that the show for Octavia Butler's book Kindred is out, so you can check it out and watch that show. And I can't wait to dig into that show and see. I just want to see how they translated it to TV. 1 second. Okay, sorry. MidJourney, black art. I was working on a bunch of black art before, and I already got some images, but I want to get more done. And I got some ideas. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna type up a couple things, search up a couple things, and get it booming. Okay. All right. So one of the things I wanted to do, one of my ideas, was to create portraits of some of our black heroes that led the way for us that were taken too early, from our midst. MidJourney is a really beautiful portrait creator, and so I'm gonna just start right here with Martin Luther King Jr. Martin Luther King Jr. So the prompt I'm typing in right here, Martin Luther King Jr., 85 years old. And then we're going to see, I'm just going to punch that in. No parameters, no style adjustments, no, actually one thing I'm going to do, because I really like to change the aspect ratio. The aspect ratio is like, the size of the frame. What I'm going to do is change that, because it's my favorite, one of my favorite aspect ratios. 2, 3. 2, 3 is a good one. Good aspect ratio for a portrait. Let's see what comes up. Enter. Demo. All right, let's see this. This is just waiting to start this quote unquote job that it's been tasked with, that the machine, the AI has been tasked with, creating Martin Luther King Jr., 85 years old, 2, 3 aspect ratio. That's what this AR stands for right here, aspect ratio. Okay. And relaxed, means it just doesn't go as quickly as it could. You can put it on something called fast mode. Check this out, since we're just exploring here and having fun. Put on fast mode. See, switch to fast mode. This is a little thing I got going on here. Once you exhaust your fast hours, okay, that's cool. That's just a little message. All right, let's see what we got going on here real quick before we run this again. Okay, we came up with some decent displays of art, but none of these are my favorite, to be honest. This is like a very good portrait of Martin Luther King right here on the left, but he doesn't look 85 years old. Here he looks like, yeah, he might be 80, 75 years old, but again, doesn't look quite like him, you know, like the pictures that we're used to. So we're just gonna kind of ignore this and give our prompt again. And one way you can do that is I'm just copy and pasting my prompt, but you can also just press this button right here and it will run it. So I'm just gonna do this. Oh, and I always do that. Sometimes I mess up. So before each prompt, you gotta type slash imagine, and I'm gonna paste. And now here we go. So also this is a test to see how quick the relaxed is versus the so-called fast mode, because now I'm in fast mode. See right here, used fast. Black Jedi used fast. Use slash fast. It's not taking. It's not much quicker. I'm putting it back on relaxed. To be honest, save my quote unquote fast hours for something I really want to do. Yeah, just check that back on relaxed mode. It's not showing any kind of difference right now. Oh wait, did that work? Switch to relax mode. Done. There we go. Let's see what came up second time around. So we ran that prompt twice. Okay, here's what we got. I'm gonna just make them bigger. Oh wow, this one's pretty good. Bottom right, because I like it. Looks more real. Good portrait up here, top left. Kind of young looking. Okay, let's see. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna change our prompt. So we ran that prompt 2 times. We're just gonna change it. And I'm gonna add in like another parameter. So we copy and pasting this. S850. So S stands for style. And these little dashes just give the command style A50. Command aspect ratio 2:3. So let's see. Run it. Yeah, so this is how you create AI art. AI art is super fun to make. We're gonna get rid of this. Especially when it's not cluttered up with all kinds of other people's artwork. You know, that's the whole point of having your own server, creating your own server so that you don't have to deal with, you know, while you're waiting for your art to generate, you don't have to deal with, unless that's something you're into too, because I actually enjoyed looking at other people's art when I first was creating. I enjoyed looking at other people's art for inspiration, for prompt help, seeing how you get, you know, really cool prompts. How do you get really cool pictures? And then I don't know if you heard that sound, that little beep beep, but that means I think it's ready. So I just added that. Oh yeah, so again, I put the same prompt in, but I added this little style variation right here, style 850. And the style variation can go from 0 to 1,000. And the closer it is to 1,000, the more the machine adds like a style to the image, makes it more like something cool. And yeah, these are turning out okay. This one actually looks pretty good. Bottom left. But here's what we're gonna do. Big fan of running things more than once. Let's rerun it. See what they say. How many times can I rerun? 2, 3. There. So instead of, you know, waiting to see what we get and then running it again, we're just gonna run 3 of them in a row and see what they give us. And then we can go and pick the best one from there out of these 4, 8, 12 new portraits that are coming out here. I'll be ready in 2 seconds. Oh, hold on here. Okay, was gone for a minute there. My bad. But I had to deal with something. So little something. I had to deal with something. So we back. Let's do this. We back. And so let's see. I upscaled this picture, and this don't look old. This looks like it's like a nice, healthy Martin Luther King Jr. Not that he wouldn't be healthy at 85, but what I did was, I'll show you really quickly. I upscaled it. Oh, that was number 1. I meant to do that to number 4. Excuse me. Nope, not even number 3. So there you go. So how this works is, this image is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and if you press U1, it will upscale this one. If you press U2, it will upscale this one. U3, upscale this, and so on. U4 will upscale this one. V stands for variation. So that means you really like this one, but you want to get a variation of it, maybe some different designs or something like that, different pattern on the tie, different lighting, I don't know. But you just press V3 for this, and then you'll get a different variation. And so that's what we got coming down here, I believe, is some variations coming through. See, so this is an upscale version. You can tell it's an upscale version because it says right here, upscaled. You know, by who? Me, of course. And so what do we got? So we got some variations down here. Oh goodness, open in browser, get a little bigger version of this. This one looks decent. This one looks good too. Just gonna close that. Oh yeah, this is one I got variations of. This one I like a lot for some reason. Martin Luther King looked like he lived a serious life right here. This top right one. I like this one a lot. What's going on there? Oh yeah, it looks good. Let's just I'm gonna upscale this one. So again, upscaling is just taking the piece of art itself and making it bigger, I guess, putting more detail, whatnot. So this is 1, this is 2, so we're gonna upscale 2. Bam. And we got these 2 jobs that are here, still waiting to start, taking their time. And they're in fast mode. And these are in relaxed mode. Fast mode, and it's still taking all this long. Okay, so here's this one showing. And then this one's showing as well. Oh, man, that looks good. 0%, so it's not even finished. And this one is finished. It's a very distinguishing portrait, gotta say. All right, where we at? Waiting to start. Upscaled. Oh yeah, this turned out good. Does he look 85 years old? Sorta. There's a bunch of cool things you can do with these too. You can make like t-shirts, get these images printed on t-shirts. This is the one I liked a lot. It's a good portrait. Wow, look at the gray, the facial expression, all this, super awesome. And so look at that. Look how awesomely high quality this is. Here's what you do. So say you like it. You're like, bang, I really like this one. You just save it. It's yours. Black Jedi, Martin Luther King. Where? Let's save to desktop, sure. Desktop. This one turned out all right too. Well, this is my favorite one right here. So that's one cool thing you could do. You do. Let's try Michael Jackson. Actually, that's one I want to see. Like Michael Jackson as an old man. What's that gonna look like? You know, something we didn't get to see. Another one of our great sets taken away too early. All right. Here's what we're gonna do. So we really like this one. So, I got two of these same kind. Actually, I'm gonna save both of them and then review both later to see which one's my final version I really like. Because I'm on to Michael. Let's see here. Michael Jackson. And then what I'm gonna do to try and keep the style very similar so I can maybe have let's say, oh, this one doesn't have an 850 style model on it. Interesting. Okay, so we're gonna play with that. We're just gonna use the same prompt basically, just different name. So all I'm doing, copy and pasting. Now we got Michael Jackson, 85 years old. Same aspect ratio. That way, if we put them side by side or something, they can look really good, cohesive. And what we're gonna try to do is we're gonna try to see if we can get a Michael Jackson in this sort of style, this sort of painting style. It's like a oil painting, very like regal oil painting sort of thing. So we'll see what comes up from our first prompt here. And yeah, if you got an idea for some kind of cool imagined black art, something that could exist in this world, just drop it in the comments. I'll check them later. We'll do another video. However it works, we'll get it going. All right. Must be peak times right now because waiting to start. This is taking a minute here. Let's see if I do it twice. Will it take this long? Will they both take as long? Am I on fast or relaxed? Let's just switch over to fast. Let's just give it because who really wants to wait? Okay, done. All right, let's see what's faster. Now. Waiting to start. Yeah, must be peak times. If this takes too long, I'm going to end this and then we'll do this again later. Because there is no fun of sitting around waiting for prompts to load and load and load. Oh my goodness. Did I type in Michael Jackson's name wrong or what? Because they're giving me like a Michelle Jackson or something. Yeah, they gave me something. They gave me Michelle Jackson. Okay. Okay, sorry, Matt. My bad. It was a stellar mistake. That's funny. This is 85-year-old Michelle Jackson. Michelle. Okay, here. We gotta get this right. Okay. Well, these portraits are great too. Dang. Somebody's grandma. Look at this one. Look at this one. That's a portrait. That's a portrait and a half right here. All right. Okay, come on, give it to us. Give it to us fast. Let's go, MidJourney. Oh, we gotta run this one 2-3 times because look at this. Look at this. 62%. Come on. I'm definitely gonna put a style modification on this because I think this could come out super cool with a little style. Oh my goodness, these look like I said Michael Jackson, 85 years old, not Michael Jackson as a zombie. Come on now. And then we're just gonna do the style mod that I showed earlier. S space 500. Let's give it like not too much halfway. Look at these. Let's check these out. Oh my goodness, I don't know who that's supposed to be. Open in browser. Cracked skin, like nah, man. Nah. I don't know what this look like. like Frodo Bagman or whatever, like a hobbit, like one of the creepy ass hobbits. Okay, none of these are good. That's a no. Oh, I accidentally put Michelle Jackson again. They gave me a black lady this time. Okay. Oh, what's here? We go. What's this? Here we go. We're gonna run this a couple times. Michael Jackson. Make sure we get it right. Michael Jackson. We'll run that. That's a really nice portrait right there in the top left. Even though it's not no 85 years old, that's probably young. It's a nice portrait. Wow. Okay, what do we got going on right here? Oh, this one right here. And I'm gonna run it again just one more time, just because I want many variations. But like this, some lady's grandmother came up clean, man. This could be your nanny right here. A good portrait. This could be my nanny. So MidJourney's good at making portraits of old ladies. Okay, Michael Jackson, 85. Look at this. See, when you add that style modification, you can get things like a black and white portrait. This one right here is good. Really good. I might upscale that. Yeah, let's do that. So that's version 4. So check it out. Yeah, you find one that you like. Version 4, V4 right here. I'm just gonna upscale it and see how it turns out. None of these are really good except for this. This looks really good. Not 85 years old, but that's an Ollivander from Harry Potter selling wands. Like, whoa. So we're gonna upscale this one. This one I thought was really good. And just wait for that. Excuse me. Sometimes you just gotta cough it out. Water don't help. All right, let's see. Come on. You're supposed to be working fast. You're supposed to be hustling for us. Let's go. Yeah, that bottom right one turned out super cool. Super cool. I should upscale this just for fun too. Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna upscale that. New message. What's my new message? Okay, come on. I guess being bored, what I could do is click over here and see what else people have been uploading or designing or whatnot. And look, you gotta jump to the present to get down to the bottom. So people on here love dinosaurs. This is cool. This Joker. Love little baby dinosaurs doing things. Working out, mining Bitcoin, using a computer. Some of these black women, this kind of medieval Batman is super cool. Very cool, I'd say. Especially that bottom number 4, version 4. Red and black. A Megazord. So we got a Power Ranger guy in here. Or girl. I'm assuming. Okay. It's actually creative. It's probably that's one thing you can do as well is include your own image, see? And then it created this. Hold on, I think we got something done back on our service. Whoa. This is Michael Jackson 85 and been through the ringer. For real, for real. So this one's okay. Let's make some more variations of it. Looks like a roughed up Michael Jackson though. Yeah, see, people love little tiny dinosaurs doing things. It's just part of the MidJourney experience. Little mini dinos. That's cool. Someone's typing in women. See, yeah, like little executive dinosaurs. This is cool. Run with this. Run with that one right there. And you know what's cool about MidJourney as well? Say I do like this version of this little image design, whatever. I can upscale it myself. Boom. I can decide to upscale it myself. So that's exactly what I've done. Hit upscale. It's gonna give me a time and a job, a load right here. Here we go. So that's waiting. We're just gonna wait on that. Come back in a minute. Here's our variations of the face that we just had here that we sort of went with. Now, I really like this one down here. But when I upscale it, is it going to be the same? Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Or is it going to mess it up? So that's V4. Oh, look at that. That turned out. Oh, see? Hold on. I'll show you sometimes how, like, when you upscale something, it doesn't do the same job. Like, look at this. That wasn't on the original image. This effed up skin right here. That looks so terrible. That was not on the original image. I'm sure. Let's just go back and check that it wasn't all yeah, see, it was smooth. So sometimes, yeah, upscaling, it messes things up. Sorry, lady. Gotta get rid of that. So yeah, so sometimes upscaling messes things up. So what we're gonna do is make variations to see what happens. I might even light upscale redo, beta upscale redo. We're doing all these. All right, now we just have our patience. Let's go back to that other little upscale that we did. We took advantage of someone else's old dinosaur. Scrolling. We look for yellow. Oh yeah, those Batmans turned out cool. Just caught a glimpse. Man, people are in here producing. Can't find it. My goodness. Sometimes that happens. So let's take our time. Yeah, these Batmans are turning out tough. I would have made them black though. And that's probably what I'll do too. Make some superheroes. I can't find it nowhere. Oh, here it is. Here we go. So we upscaled this little guy. Turned out okay. You're gonna save it. We're gonna save this just for fun. What? You can do that. You see somebody's work you like, upscale it. Okay, look at this. Much better. Upscale light. So the lighting of this is what apparently changed. Much better. The eyes are kind of reddish, but that looks good than before. Looks better than before with that messed up skin. And this one's even better if you ask me. Eyes are brown. Yeah, everything looks good on this. Oh yeah, real good. So yeah, you just save it. Sorry about that. Bam. Now we got that. So we got the Michael Jackson. We got although he's not 85 in this one, but let's just check the 85. This is like 95 years old. But I like this image a whole lot. The details are really good. It looks like it might be like hair in weird places, like here a little bit, here a little bit, but you can fix that easy, either in Photoshop or, that's how I would do with Photoshop, let's say. Heal it up and all this kind of stuff, heal brush. All right, so we got two. So that's what I'm saying about having a collection. One thing you can do on MidJourney as well is go to the they have what I think is a micropose welcome. They have this thing, characters, theme image generator, general image generator. They have like a showcase. That's what I'm trying to find. I'm trying to find a showcase. And I tell you again, I'm not that great at MidJourney or Discord, to be honest. So where's the okay? V4 showcase, bam, right here. So in this showcase, check this out. You can do this. You can like show off the work you made. See, different people have like their collections or some of the cool things they've made, those steampunk things and whatnot. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna add ours just because our voice, our Black voice matters. So we're gonna do the 85-year-old. So we only have 2 images for our 85-year-old collection, but we're just gonna say 85-year-old hero, Black heroes. Heroes. Now we're just gonna hit enter, see what happens, see if that does what I wanted to do. Did what I wanted to do. There we go. So we're in the showcase now with our 2 85-year-old Black heroes. And now whoever's in this forum, checking these out, people's different work, these cool, see, like I tell you, people love dinosaurs, dinosaur themes, all this stuff. Yeah, they're going to be scrolling. They're going to see our work as well. Now, these are cool. Some Black Panther renditions here. Very cool. And one thing that's cool about the showcase, you check on someone's work right quick. And, save it if you like it.
Are you doing the thing now?
Yeah, baby, but you can't come on.
Okay. I was just saying with you.
So, as you can see, we've added to the showcase, and since we've added, other users have added as well. And what do we got here? The weird ghost. That's your account. Man, you got cool art. The weird ghost. Right? See these sort of like suit type, exosuit type, futuristic style. There was a way you could check out people's prompts to see what they used, but I don't know how to figure that out right now. Show and tell. Let's click on some of these just to see what comes up. So yeah, people are uploading tons of stuff. More creations from my project, Aliens of New York. This is so cool. Aliens of New York. So this is cool. This is a cool way to run a project. Aliens of New York. So he's got like these photos that are like, look, there's aliens here in New York City. Cool. And you can click on this and go to their Instagram page if you like. That's kind of cool too. So yeah, checking out the showcase is a fun thing, and it's also very inspirational too. See, like this is really cool. Whoever created these are super powerful. Black art, that's the highlight of what we're doing. So we're gonna focus on that. But even though these things are funny too, like little baby Einsteins and whatnot. All right, so I'm gonna end this really quickly right now, just because I got a few different interruptions I gotta take care of. But join me again for some more MidJourney. It's your boy, Abstract Vision. We out here getting it done.